A group of 4 plan to travel on the cheapest bus from Edinburgh to Newcastle. Instead, they must take the cheapest car journey along the same route. What is the percentage change in the price per person? So for the first part, the cheapest bus journey from Edinburgh to Newcastle, that's this journey here, the £11 single. So we'll use that later when we find the percentage change. Now we need to look at the car journeys, and we can see that we've got 2 car journeys where we don't know which route they took. So let's figure out which one they did take. We can compare the actual distance, if we calculated it, with the distance for route A and route B to try and figure out which one was correct. So let's calculate the distance. We know distance is speed times time. So let's do this for first this 55 mile per hour. 55 mile per hour car. The distance will be calculated by 55 multiplied by this time. We need to convert that into an actual decimal. At the moment it's in hours and minutes. So first convert it into minutes, that's 130 minutes. Then divide by 60 minutes in an hour, and that leaves it as a decimal number of hours. That gives us approximately 119 miles. Do the same for the 65 mile per hour car. Distance is 65 times the time it took, which in this case is 125 minutes over 60, which is approximately 135 miles. So we can compare these here. Clearly this one is route A with some rounding errors, and this is route B. So we know the bus takes route A, so we need to think about, is it either this car journey we should take, or this car journey, the 55 miles per hour one. So they both take route A, and this one is cheaper in fuel cost. So we want the cheapest route, like in the same way as we use the cheapest bus. So we can split this £17 between the 4 people to get the cost per person. That's £4.25 each. Finally, we need the percentage change in price comparing taking the bus to taking the car. So we'll find a new price, 4.25, take away the old price, that's £11, divided by the old price, then multiply by 100 to find a percentage, which gives us minus 61%, which is a 61% decrease.